how to reset Wells Fargo online banking password. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you reset Wells Fargo online banking password. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your device. Alright, so after you open the browser in this hospital, you'll have to type for Wells Fargo. So from there, you'll be able to see the official site of Wells Fargo. So simply tap on this official site of Wells Fargo. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to tap on sign on option just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, if you have forgotten your password, you'll have to just tap on this option forgot username or password. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to give your SSN or ITIN number from here, and also you'll have to give your username and your account number. So after then you have provided these details on it, you'll have to just tap on this continue option. So from there you will receive a verification code on your phone number or something email ID. So now from there you can easily reset Wells Fargo online banking password. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.